Okay, people, welcome again to Tradespeople's Tips. We have a Citroen DS4
2011.
2011, yeah? And we're going to be changing our brake light bulb in here, which is at the top. Right, first thing we're going to do is we've got a torque key. No, let's start properly. The nut here, this is your sub, take that nut off. Alright, and that will just fall down like that. Then you have this panel here. You may be able to just get your finger in there. I did earlier, pull it out, or if not, just get something under there, pop it out. It locates with this and this down the bottom here, and this bit's just clipping. Okay, next this one, you just get your fingers in there, pull it, comes out. These clips hold it in, these legs locate just in the side there. Where my finger is, see that? The hole there and a hole on the other side. Okay, once you've got that done, you have a torque screw just there. We're gonna just use a screwdriver for quick. Okay, so get that. Take that out. Remember, put your stuff where you can find them once you finish. And then inside here, I can't even see, there's another one. I'm fidgeting around. There it is, that comes out. And this panel should just come away. But you just check if there's another screw. Can't see any, so let's give it a little tug and see what happens. There it is, it's off. If you pull gently, you will see whether or not it's coming off. This looks, there we go, it lifts, there we go. Alright, once you get that off, we just take that plug out, press down on the little plastic clip and pull it out. That's your light. So we put that to one side, and you can move your panel out of the way. Inside here, I think you might have to stop and turn on the...
Yep.
Inside here you got two 10mm nuts. There's one just here and one a bit further over there. Alright, so we get our spanner. We'll just slacken that off. That's a bit loose. That's only because I had it out before. Take that one off. Careful not to drop it down inside the panel there. Put it where you can find it. And then the next one, which is just over here. Again, I didn't use the spanner because I slackened it off before. Take that off. Get those two out, then your light unit should be ready to come out. You're going to come on the other side. Right. So you just pull it gently, rock it about as you pull. Push on it at the same time. There you go. It's out. So you just pull it back. You have a plug here. Press that plug down. Clip, same as before.
She's low for the flash. But we're still rolling.
Right. Yeah. Press that clip down, pull it out. That's off. Right. Once you get that off, the bulb you're trying to change is this one here. Yeah. So that's just here. You just lift that off of there. You've got a couple of washers. A washer. Don't lose it. You have a clip here. Now this bit I'm not sure about, so I'm gonna see how I figure it out. The whole lot is one unit looking at it. Right. So that, you see that little clip there? pulls forward, and that lifts up. And again, there's the handle. This pull that wire off, out of the way. Push that down. And lift that out. Jeez, this is a bit of a fiddle, isn't it? Alright, stop for a minute. Okay, now where I pull the wire off, I have to pull them both off by the look of it. Now, remember where they go. So you have red and you have black. So just pull it out. So red goes at the top, black goes at the bottom. There we have it. There's our bowl, and you can see the dark color of it tells you it's blown. Okay, so you press in, see it springs, and turn towards you, depending on how you hold it, turn towards you, and it pops out. And here is our new bow. Where is our new bow? Here is our new bow. Get that one out. Get rid of that one. And if you look in here, you got like a cutout there and a cutout there. That's where your bulb is located. So you get your bulb in, pop it in, press down, twist. Your bulb's back in. Alright. Get your unit back. Make sure your wires are out the way. Line everything up. See, there's line up at there. That's line up at there. Press down, it all locks in. Black wire goes back through there. Just press it down, it goes back in. It goes on that one. Red wire goes on this one. Just press it in between there. That would be the pain. There you go. Just drop it in there. Drop your fingernail. So you can see one is larger than the other. Okay, so the larger one goes on there, and the smaller one goes on there. Alright. Now your cover goes back on. So it came off. Just like that. What you want to do now is just get it back in position. Get your connector plugged back in. Can you see the connection? Get your connector plugged back in. Just like that. You rest your light here. And now what you want to do is get someone to check the light for you. So if you press on the brake, I'm just going to close the boot down a minute. Brake on, off, indicator. Okay, other side, off, perfect. Right, we've checked all our lights. Let me just whip this back out again. So what you got to do now, you got a peg here that locates just in there, and another one just there that locates in here. This one locates in there. Sorry, not that one. The one here is here. All right. Basically, once you put it all back in position and you slide it, it just clips straight back in. Okay. So from there, you get your nuts. Remember, careful not to drop them in there. Yeah. So you get your hand there. You got your nut there. You just put it on this screw and you keep your hand under the bottom should in case it fall. Once you caught it, so you turn it towards you to tighten it. Okay? And you get your next one. Keep it in your hand. Hold it and use your finger to find where the stud comes through if you can't see it. Once you find it, there you go. Screw it up. You press against the light, not too hard, then it will help you to get it as tight as possible by hand. Then when you come to tighten it with your spanner now, I'm going to show you from the top. 1, 2, 3. You don't need more than that. Yeah, and you do the same with the other one. 1, 2. I'm gonna go 2.5 with that one because you can feel the pulling on it. Alright, so from there, get your panel back, get your cable over, put that back, get your lights, plug back in, that way up. If you look at the plug, you see the lug is at the top. That is what you press to release it. Push that back in there. Some way, somehow. Can't see properly there. That's it, it's locked in. Right, these clips you can see on the edge there, they clip in just up here. So if you line it all up, your seat belt goes between there. It should all just press back in. Yeah, line everything up, seat belt in. Just down the bottom here, I should have shown it actually. There's a plug there, a blue plug that goes with the hole there. Yeah, so that's what you were pulling out before. So if you line that one up first, it's easier. Now the rest of it should just slide into place. There we are. Probably didn't need to tap it, but we like tapping things. Okay, get your Allen key back, your torque key, screw, put that in there, just hold your finger to guide it, a couple of turns, your screwdriver, whatever it is you're using. I ain't got much home for it, but it's back on securely. We've got another one just here. If we could get our torch down in here, maybe we can see a bit better. If it doesn't line up, just push the panel up. Yeah, my hand. This one's a bit awkward because where it is, but try, like I said, not to get your screw. What I'm gonna do, just gonna rest it on there. Give you a better idea. Got any tissue? Bit of cardboard, see if that works.
Oh, I got some.
See, you got a bit of cardboard. This is a bit too big actually. That's just to help. It's like we haven't got a magnet to hold this and guide it in there, so we get a bit cardboard, get our touch screen, put it in there. Yeah, that'll hold it, so we can line it up. Get our panel up, get it in the hole, give it a couple of turns, make sure we pull it. Now we get our screwdriver. Get it lined up again. Can't see properly. That's better. Get that lined up there. That's it. That's on. So everything's back together. Our light works. As I said before, bottom in, lines up, press the top in. Again, these two legs I showed you earlier, they go in the side there, press that in. Put your panel back up, get your nut, tighten that back up. Couple of turns on it. Job done. So, once again, from Tradespeople's Tips, thanks for watching. Black Life Matters, and stop on the foolishness. Okay? See you later. Okay, we're back again and we have our light on this side. So I pulled that out of the way, and you see that nut there, 10 mil, and the other one on the other side. I can't see nothing further down, and I don't want to take all of this out. So if you can get your hand into this hole, like mine can, you see how my hand's all scratched up. So you got to decide whether you want to scratch your hand up or take that out. But basically we're going to undo those two, and hopefully this will come away. So we're going to see if we can find ourselves some spanner and come back. See you in a minute.